Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a combo chart in Excel. A combo chart is a combination of line chart and column chart. It is used to compare or show two different categories or business values. Let's create a combo chart in Excel. The table contains juices and smoothies sales data. It has three columns: flavor, juices, and smoothies. It represents the sales of juices and smoothies for different flavors like apple, beet, carrot, and so on. Let's create a combo chart to visualize and compare the sales of two different categories, juices and smoothies. Let's select the three columns, then go to insert, then recommended charts, then all charts, then combo. Here you can see we can choose which category we want to put in column and which category in line. Let's put this juices in column and smoothies in line, then click OK. A combo chart has been created. The columns represents the juices and the line represents the smoothies. The horizontal axis represents the flavor and the vertical axis represents the values. Change the chart title as juices versus smoothies. From this chart we can visualize that orange is the highest selling flavor for both juices and smoothies, and beet is the lowest selling flavor for both juices and smoothies. We can get various insight from this chart. Let's customize the chart. First select the chart, then right hand side you will get a plus option. Click that plus option. Let's add axis title. Let's change this horizontal title as flavor and vertical axis as sales. Let's select a style. Let's select this one. Let's change this legend in the right hand side. Legend, put this legend in right. That's all for this video. Thank you.